Hi, in this quick video, I want to show you the Convex Sandbox, what it looks like and what we can do in the sandbox. Um, this is the Convex website, so let's go to the developer, then we go to the sandbox. The first thing that I need to do is to create an account because I don't have one yet. So let's just create an account and we need to confirm and say that that's okay. I agree to have the account 74. Once I do that, we can see here 74, so that's my account. This is the sandbox, and this is the input panel, the editor, and this is the output panel. We're going to type things here and see the output here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to getting started. And this is the tutorial. I'm not going to cover this tutorial here, but I'm going to copy a few snippets from here to the sandbox, so just so we can have a look what it's like, okay? So it's explaining a few things and presenting the sandbox. Let's see the first snippet that we can find. Running commands. Okay, this is good. I think we can copy this. Just click copy. And I have another screen here with the sandbox. If I just refresh this with my new account. And if you just paste this, and if you type Shift Enter, we can run. When you do this, it's going to, you can see that the sandbox, it has some custom renderer for some special data types. In this case, it's an address. So if it's an address sandbox, it's going to display this information about an account for you. It's address 74. Okay, that's an account. So I'm going to display the balance. I'm going to display the type of account. In this case, user, but it could be an actor or a library. Each account has its own environment as well. This is a new account, so there's nothing here, but that's okay. That's going to change. Let's jump back to getting started, and it's going to explain about the sandbox modes. And it's explaining about this, the mode. Um, when you can do things in query, but if you do, for example, query x1, we can do things. That seems fine. Let's do another one. But it's okay. But if I look at my environment, you might be expecting to see an X1 here. Let's refresh this. There is nothing there. And it's because when you're running query, it doesn't change actually the environment. It doesn't change the environment. It doesn't change anything in the network. It runs the computation for you, but it doesn't change anything. If you actually want to change things, we switch back to transaction. Okay. Here it's going to explain a little bit nicer the differences, but let's do the same thing here. Def x1, let's run this. When you do this, same thing, but if we refresh, expand, we can see x, and you can see value 1. Another thing that I don't know if you saw it is that actually when you run a transaction, it's going to cost you. So the balance is going to change. Okay, let's have a look at another one here. Moving funds. We can see this function, so this example here, and I want to run this in the sandbox. I'll copy this, to here, but I want to show you something before. So this is actually, we could run this if the account actually exists, but I want to show you something. In the sandbox, you can just type the name of a function. For example, transfer. And if you press enter, it's going to show you a documentation for this function. So here you can see the transfer is a function and expects an address and amount. It's very much what we have here, right? What I'm going to do is we're going to run this function, but let's create another account here, 75. Okay, we have account 75. What I want to do is I want to go back to 74. And did you see that when we change accounts, it changes the output? It's because the sandbox it's per account. So this account doesn't have anything, so it's blank. If we switch back, there we go, have transfer. Uh, so last thing in this video, let's just run this. If you just run transfer and you have, we said account 75, that's the one that we changed it, and let's do 10,000, and let's run this. Yeah, there you have 10,000 as value. And if you just go back here and just this our current balance, if we just refresh, yeah, we can see updated balance. And if you go to account 75, and if you do check this account, yeah, right,